Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This is the design that we will be working on in this video. In this design, we will only need this mustache image and multiple fonts. We will need a couple of fonts. This is the first one, it's called Painter. Look it up and download it. The second one, this font right here, it's called Tahoma. It's a premium font, but I searched for a free one that is similar to it. It's called Lemon Milk. This is the free one. If you want to work with the free one, it's called Lemon Milk. Download it. If you want to work with the premium one, it's called Tahoma. So now we start working, and as I said, we always open a new page with these settings. Now I will change the background color. Like this. Now we activate the ruler. We go to view. We make sure to check it from here. So I drag it and I put it right here. And right here. To make sure that everything is aligned properly. Now we select the text tool, we zoom in a little bit and we will start typing. We type I am, we make it in white and we put it right here. We adjust its size, we'll make it 150. And now we change the text to Painter. The font is called Painter. And as I said before, download it and use it. I'll change the size to 100. I add an A. So the word is I am and I am a. And we will continue the phrase. I am a proud dad. So we zoom in and now we will type or we will draw the shape. So I use the pen tool as usual to draw shapes. And now we start drawing. Now of course, as you see, this is not the final shape. We will need to fix it. And as I showed you before, we select the third tool. First we select the last tool, then we click on the shape, then we select the third tool. We need to activate the internal color to see. Now as I said, we go back to the third tool. And I start fixing the shape like this. I keep going until I get the shape that I want. You can either edit the existing dots or add new ones, whatever serves the purpose. That's good. Now keep going like this. I move on to this part of the shape. I already explained how to work with the pen tool earlier in this course. So if there was anything you want to know, just go back to that video, or if there are any other questions, feel free to message me and I will get back to you ASAP. So that's it. The shape is ready. We move on to work on the next shape. Now I move the shape right here, I center it. Then I will type a brow dead. You type brow with capital letters. Of course, you're not obligated to use the same text or the same phrases that I use. You can choose another word or another phrase or another slogan, whatever you want. I only show you the techniques and the ways. This is the font that we used. For me, I use Tahoma, and as I said earlier, it's a premium one. If you want to use it, feel free to download it. If you want to use the free one, it's called Lemon Milk. Now we adjust the phrase like this. And as I said, we use the ruler to make sure that the words are aligned. Now I left it a little bit like this. Now I type dead in here. I adjust its size as well. You can adjust the text size through this tool or this tool. The choice is yours. Now that's it, the text is set. Now I copy this color and I paste it on this word. Right click, blend in options, color overlay, and I paste this color. It's kind of golden one. It's between orange and golden. Of course, you can use this color or use your own color. It's totally up to you. Now I set the rulers in here because I'm gonna add geometrical shape in here. I put the rulers here as well and in here as well. Now I use the pen tool to draw. So I click here, I make a triangle in here, I make another one here, and here we are. We get this shape right here. Now we remove the rulers, and here we are. The shape is ready. As you see, the rulers made things easier for us. Now I'll make it in white. I lift it up a little bit like this, and I type in here. I use the text tool. I select the painter font. Awesome daughter. That's the whole phrase. I adjust the size of the text like this, and I center it in here. I need to adjust the size of the whole design. I lift the words like this a little bit. And here we are. We made some room to continue our design. And now we need to add awesome daughter. Now I choose the Tahoma font. Now I adjust the word like this. I align it like this and I adjust its size. That's good. Now I continue by typing daughter. Now right click, we use blending options, and we give it this color, the same color as the word dead. Now I will lift the whole design a little bit like this to make some room, and here we are. Now I make regular in here, and I set 35. Or maybe 48. I adjust the size of the text a little bit. I make it 56. And I put it right here. Now I will draw a circle in here. I'll make it with this color, the same color as the word dead and daughter. We copy it and we put another one in here. I make sure that it's aligned with the other one. Now I will grab the mustache. I use this tool to remove the magic wand tool to remove the background. I select the background and I click delete from the keyboard and I drag the mustache and I put it on the design page right here. And I put it right here in the middle of the A letter. Right click, I go to blending options, color overlay, and I'll make it in white. So this is our design. I need to lift the words like this phrase as well. We drag the circles right here to make sure that everything is aligned. Now we save the design as PSD. I'll call it design 6. Now I remove the background and I save it as PNG. I click save. And now I add it to the mockup. I go to the layer, the image layer. I add the design. Here it is. I drag it and I put it right here. I remove the former one and we save. And here we are. this is our design. It's ready. I only changed the color of the shirts. So this is the final look of our design. And of course you can adjust its size and center it like this. And here we are. So this is the final look of our design. I hope that you liked what you saw, and I hope that it was easy to follow with me. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video to work on the next design.